Hey there, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off safe mode on your Samsung phone. Now there are two different ways to be able to easily access that safe mode. The first way is to get to your power menu. So you can press and hold the power or side button, and there is power off. However, some people have that pop up with Gemini. So instead of that, you can also just swipe down from the top right and swipe down again. And there is that power icon. Now from here, I can access safe mode. And if I just tap on power off, it will turn the phone off. But if I press and hold on it, you can see safe mode. Tap again to restart in safe mode. However, if this doesn't work for you, or if your Android phone is already turned off, there's a second option as well. So to do this, let's turn the phone off. I'm just going to tap to power it off, and it will completely turn that phone off, but we're going to reboot it in safe mode once it's off. To reboot it in safe mode, we're going to press and hold the power button until we see the Samsung logo, and then we're going to press and hold the volume down button. So press and hold the power button. And as soon as the Samsung logo comes up, I'm going to press and hold on the volume down button instead. And this will basically tell the Samsung phone to not boot in the normal version, but boot in the safe mode instead. So continue to hold that. And there you can see safe mode at the bottom left. Now let's swipe up and unlock this phone, and I'll show you two different ways to be able to exit safe mode or turn off that safe mode. You can see at the bottom left, I'm in safe mode. The first way that you can get out is to swipe down from the top left to get to your notifications. And it says safe mode is on, tap here to turn off safe mode. So you can just tap there. However, another option is just to restart your phone, and if you restart it normally, it will disable safe mode. So I can do that by swiping down from the top right, and then swiping down again, and there you can see the power icon. I'm going to tap on it, and then tap on restart, and it will restart that phone with safe mode disabled. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.